Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chase. I'm a volunteer at Westlake Boy High School. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly use WBHS WeChat official account to help you find the information that you need. This tutorial will last around 3 minutes. In this tutorial, I will use Android version mobile app, but if you use Apple version, it will pretty much look like the same. Let's start. So after you log into WeChat, inside the searching bar on the top of the screen, select a searching field, official accounts, and type WBHS space NZ. A few seconds it will pop up the result, WBHS NZ, and click follow. So now we see a welcome message after the first time you become a subscriber user. On the main screen, the future news will appear here, and in the bottom of the screen, you can see there are 3 menus: about WBHS, historic article, and frequently asked questions and answers. More menus currently under construction and will be added later. Please stay tuned. So, checking the historic menu, you will see a list of the old publishers. You can click each article. So when you go back to the main menu, click a flag. So you may find some information that you are interested in. WBHS NZ WeChat official account is not only a broadcast one-way communication channel, but also an interactive platform to hear your voice. In the left bottom corner of the screen, you can see there is a keyboard icon. Click it. It will let you type text message. Hello, WBHS, for example. You also can leave a voice or video message. Our school staff will respond to your inquiry or comments in a timely manner. This is the end of the tutorial. I hope you found this WBHS NZ WeChat official account useful. Please don't forget to send us a message to let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Bye.